Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good afternoon. My name is Nur Akila Mitimo Fairuz and my metric number is 192457. Today our group wants to present about the engineering statistic project, and I will continue with the abstract. Simple apparatus that we use is ping pong ball, measuring tape, a few pieces of A4 paper. The purpose of the experiment is to determine the number of bounces for the ping pong ball at a constant time, but different height of the ball to be dropped and the different type of surface. Next is experimental protocol. There are two types of experimental protocol. First is for the smooth surface. Second is for the rough surface at different height but constant time. So for the first step is we tape the several paper together and tape them to the wall to make sure the bottom part is touching the ground. Measure the 0.5 meter height using measuring tape and mark it on the paper. And then the ball will be dropped from that height on the smooth surface. Drop the ball and we count the number of bouncing ball when it first reach the ground and start the stopwatch for 5 seconds. Repeat this experiment for 4 times to get the average data for number of bounces. Record the data obtained in the table and repeat step 5 until step 8 by replacing the height. We use 0.5 meter, 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter height.
Hi doctor, my name is Hariharan and my metric number is 194895. Okay, now I will be explaining experimental diagram. So we have part A and part B. Part A we got measuring tape for given height. It's 0.5 meter, 1 meter and 1.5 meter. Then ping pong ball will be dropped from the height given and then stopwatch to take the time. We fix the time to 5 seconds. Then our manipulated variable is smooth surface. Then the second part is we will be change the smooth surface to rough surface.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Malik Ali bin Malik, metric number 195529. Now moving to the data analysis with two parts of the experiment. The first part with the smooth surface and as we can see from the data analysis, with the smooth surface we have more number of bounces of the ball than the rock surface. And also for the height, we have more bounces of the ball. With the heighter ball, we have more number of bounces of the ball. And this is because of the potential energy. And this is the graph that shows the mean for the data of the number of the bounces. The blue line, which illustrates the smooth surface. As you can see, it's higher than the rough surface, and also with the height 0.5 and 1.5 and 2.5. With the higher ball, the more number of the bounces, and this is because of the potential energy that is converted to kinetic energy and make the ball to bounce more. This is the ANOVA table analysis. Based on the table of the ANOVA analysis, the null hypothesis is rejected, and this is because of the F absorbed is higher than the F critical. We have the F absorbed is 32.4 and the F critical is 4.4139. Some of the common error sources. The first one is the one that affect the movement of the ball, and errors in calculating the number of bounces, and the error using the measuring tape accurately. And the last one is the identifying the area of the ball to bounce.
Okay, and then for the last part is the conclusion. For conclusion, as the height of the ball to be dropped increase, the number of bouncing ball increase, while the both factor, which is type of surfaces and the height of the ball to be dropped, have an effect on the response variable, which is the number of bouncing of the ball. Based on this experiment, we conclude that the best factor is for the surface is the smooth surface, while for the height is 2.5 meter. Okay, that's all.